Hi students. So today in this video I am going to explain about a problem of solving the non-homogeneous equations using Gauss-Jordan method. So this is not simply solving but solving using Gauss-Jordan method. So we have a problem on board. So the given set of equations written in the augmented form. So this first row represents the first equation, second row represents the second equation, third row represents the third equation. So basically what is Gauss-Jordan method? So Gauss-Jordan method, we try to convert this augmented matrix to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 model in the first three columns. Whatever is left in the last column will be the solution automatically. So let us start the process. So process is first, our first step is to get 1 0 0 in the first column. So how to get 1 0 0 in the first column, that we have to observe. So basically to get 1 in the first place, we can divide with 5. But when we divide with 5, we get fractions here. Simplification will become difficult. Therefore, we try to avoid dividing with 5. So we try to see any other alternatives are possible or not. So I have an alternative. I can do like this. R1 minus 2 into R3 we can do to get 1 here. To get 1 here, R1 minus 2 into R3. So 5 minus 4, we will get 1. So this is our first step. So once we get 1 in this place, we have to get zeros in these two places. So we have to get zeros in these two places now. So using this first element 1, which we have made here, using this one, we'll try to get zeros in these two places. How? R2 minus 7R1, 7 minus 7 will get 0. R3 minus 2R1, 2 minus 2 we will get 0. Okay, so R2 minus 7R1 we will do, R3 minus 2R1 we will do. To get 0 in these two places. Okay, so that process we can do. So our first step is completed. We got 1 0 0 in the first column. Process is completed, first step. Now we will go to second step. What is second step? Second step, we have to get 0 1 0 in the second column. That is middle element first be 1. Remaining two elements we must get 0. So to get 1 in the middle place, we have to use R3 only. We cannot use R1. So if you use R1 to get 1 here, this 0 is going to change. So we should not use R1. Using R3, we have to get 1 in this place. How? So we can do 2 into R2 means 120 minus 7 into R3 means 119. 2R2 minus 7R3 gives 1 in this place. So that is what we are going to do in the next step. Okay, so 2 times R2 minus 7 times R3 we will do to get 1 in the middle place. So once we get 1 in the middle place, we have to get 0 in these two places now. So to get 0 in these two places, R1 plus 8 into R2 we can use. To get 0 in these two places, we have to use this middle number only. We get 1 in the middle place. That using that 1 we will get 0 in these two places. So R1 plus 8 into R2 means minus 8 plus 8 0. R3 minus 17 into R2. So if you multiply this with 17 and subtract from R3, you will get 0 only, no? So R3 minus 17 into R2. So these are the steps we have to do next. So once you do R1 plus 8R2, you will get 0 in this place. So obviously remaining row will be changing, that I have written here. You can do the simplification. So R3 minus 17R2, this is going to be 0. So my second step is also completed. So I got 1 0 0 in the first column, 0 1 0 in the second column. Now in the third column, we must get 0, 0, 1. So first we try to get 1 in this place. So how we will get 1 in this place? To get 1 in this place, nothing is allowed, only division you have to do. Because if you are doing row transformations to get 1 in this place, these 1s and 0s are going to change. So don't use anything, only division is allowed to get 1 in this place, only division. So divide by 838, so R3 is divided by 838. So R3 divided by 838, you will get 1 here, you will get 6 here. Now using this one, we have to get zeros in these two places using this one. How? Multiply with 392, add to R1. Multiply with 48, add to R2. So R1 plus 392 into R3 to get 0 here. R2 plus 48 into R3 to get 0 in this place. So once you do R1 plus 392 R3 and R2 plus 48 R3, you will get zeros in these two places. Third step is completed. Whatever is left in the last column is our solution. So what is our solution? 3, 4, 6 is our solution. So we will get unique solution here definitely. You know that. So we are going to get the unique solution 3, 4, 6. So simplification actually will be a bit difficult here, a bit lengthy. So I have showed you the process completely. Simplification part you can do.